What's up, everybody? Smoke with Mark with another quick video. Today, trying out some Mellow Strawberry Cough. It's a sativa, still $9.99. Got in a trusty Mario. Let's try it out. Cheers.
No, quit climbing at me. On your mouth.
Hmm. Well, right off you get a strawberry taste. But it's in between from that this last hit I get. Ooh, excuse me. But anyways, it's got between a strawberry taste and a bubblegum taste. That's pretty good. But yeah, it really tastes like bubblegum actually, more than the strawberry. But anyways, this is a Smoke with Mark with another Mellow Fella review. Cartridge, Strawberry Cough. 10 out of 10. Well, get off here. Have a wee tastic day. Till next time.